Hello everyone, in this video, I will be showing you how to add filter in Instagram story. This is a very easy and quick tutorial. All you have to do is to simply make sure that you are using the latest version of your Instagram to avoid any lags and problems. Okay, now launch your Instagram application. And then all you have to do is to simply slide this to the right, tap story or look for story. And you have to point your camera to your face or somebody's face or someone's image, something like that. Now you just have to go to the side here to simply add filter to your Instagram story. Filter to someone's face, someone's image, and then once you're done or once you find the perfect filter for your story, all you have to do is just simply click and then add this to your Instagram story. Now, let's just say you wanted to filter an image or a video from your gallery. All you have to do is to tap this plus icon here and then go to story. Now, choose that specific image or video, and then above, you can see here different options. Let's just say this one. Okay, so you can filter, you can choose any filter for your image here. So there are tons of filters. Just choose one which is perfect for you. If you tap this letter A here, you can simply type anything. You can add captions or titles or anything for your Instagram story, for your image, for a video. Okay. And then you can also change its color. You can tap this color here. Okay, tap this A again, tap colors, and you can change your text or captions color. Now, if you tap the sticker icon, you can mention music, add music rather, add location. Okay, for example, now I'm adding some music here. Okay, so this is the result. And once you're okay with this, you can simply tap this arrow icon, click done first. Okay, you can drag the position of this music here, music icon here. Okay, you can click these three dots to draw or save. Once you're finished, click done and then tap this arrow icon here below to add this image or output to your Instagram story. Click share, tap done, and wait for a couple of seconds or I don't know, minute. Just try to refresh and then tap your Instagram story, and then you can see there the result. Okay, so all you have to do is to refresh, okay, and wait as it is processing. So if you want to see the outcome, this is the outcome. So that's how easy it is to add filter in Instagram story. Thank you for watching, and I do really hope this video helped you. See you again in our next videos.